It's almost like a family, and your customers, you get to know your customers really, really well. They're like an extended family to me.
I'm proud to be around here, and every day. This is my bride. This shop is my bride.
We had someone in this morning now, and they're here from Australia, come over, they've got family, so they've come in to actually meet us because they send flowers through us to their family, so that's lovely.
It's different, you've got everything in here, it's a community and it's lovely, it's a family. Mandy next door in the wool shop is my market mother, I call her, so it's great, we all help each other out.
It doesn't matter what the weather's like outside because it's lovely and dry in here. We've got such a diverse selection. It's a really wonderful place to come down and shop locally.
Buttons, haberdasheries, and it's an Aladdin's cave in here. Come and have a look.
I've got all my different customers keep coming in year after year after year.
Weddings, funerals, birthdays, births, christenings, whatever. Yeah, we do everything. And yeah, they keep coming back, so that's a good thing.
It's historic, it's a landmark in Neath, so it's really different, you never get anywhere else like it.
Oh, please pop and see us. I mean, like I said, there's something for everybody down here. And lots of people do come in and haven't been in here for a long time. And we've got lots of nice new stores that have opened up. And I think you'd be quite surprised, actually, that what we do actually have on offer.